I'm Jamie.
And I'm Christian.
We're brothers.
And we're also the founders of Baymard. We started Baymard in 2009, based in Denmark. The company have been bootstrapped ever since. Now, the mission and goal of Baymard is really to empower companies to make more evidence-based user experience decisions and web design decisions. Today we are the world's largest supplier of subscription-based UX research. Baymard currently has 17,000 active UX professionals that use it from 65 different countries. And these people range both very small companies and very, very large companies. For example, it is 90% of all Fortune 500 companies that have a retail website or a service website who is a paying customer of Baymard. And that would mean it's customers like Walmart, Amazon, CVS, Gap, and McDonald's.
All these customers, of course, have different use cases, but they do share some common use cases. One of them, for instance, is competitive research and benchmarking. So instead of spending days or even weeks on doing competitive research, with Baymard, you can just quickly look up what your competitors are doing and be done with it in a matter of minutes. So that's a really common use case where you want to see what are the best practice patterns that we should follow, what are our competitors doing, what are they not doing, really making sure that you're staying ahead of the game.
Another one is supplementing in-house testing. So most large companies do their own in-house testing, but it is very slow and very, very expensive. So it's limited for what they can use it for. And for that reason, most companies use it only for the big few critical components in a given web page redesign. And for these, Baymard's research is supplementary. We help speed up that process a whole lot.
Another very common use case is, of course, staying up to date on the latest in UX. With any field, especially any digitally enabled field, things are moving really, really fast. And if you want to stay up to date, you have to make sure that you're following the latest in the industry and what's happening out there. And Baymard conducts 37,000 hours of research every year that we distill into precise UX insights that our customers can use to really stay ahead of the curve.
We started just the two of us some 15 years ago, and today we are more than 55 people distributed throughout the world.